Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add bookmarks on Chrome Android mobile version. So if you first time using a Google Chrome on Android, or your first time you use Android phone, you can try to open a Google Chrome first, and you can access your favorite website here. So for example, a Dragon Ball page or Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle page, you can tap it. Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle Wiki. So for example, this is my favorite site. So you can tap three dot at the top of your screen and try to tap on star icon. Now bookmarks save in mobile bookmarks. This is how you can a bookmark your favorite websites on Google Chrome Android version. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.